with my experimentation, I decided to draw circus characters and ink them. So I came up with some random little things. So like, things like that that's got like, it's a little boy but he's got a massive head. And a guy that had like an old man's body and then like a robot head. And a woman who was a man. Well, man's features. So I drew people like that. I've got more, but I can't find them. I drew things like that and then inked them up, scanned them in and created, this is a black and white copy of it, but I created a book that looks like this. Now this wasn't the finished thing. I don't know how well you can see that. But it's got all the people in. It's probably going to go out of focus now. It's got all my people in. And I decided to call it Cirque Navuni. Now that was freak in some sort of language. I can't remember which one it was. It was in peculiar language anyway. I decided to call it that because along with the freak idea, I thought it was quite cool if it was in a really weird language. So I experimented doing that. Then in lesson we also did, we made buildings. So in the, I don't know which one it will be in, but below or above, I don't know where it is, there's a post of the city models that as a class we all built, and the thing was to make something out of those books. So with that I decided to do, to draw the cities and ink them and Photoshop with them. So yeah, that's what I did with my experimentation. And also, I've just forgot about them, but I've got them back. We created little books. So this is my micro mini book, which is on a post below somewhere, and it's just a random book of patterns of different things. Like, there is a post with this on, and then we also created a no staples book of lists, I think it was. Mine's called Momo. Which has got, it's basically a book on what you can do small press books, of what you can do with small press books. So you could do one about piercings or animal noises. What else is on here? Like bark, things you can find in bark, and things found in the baby's brain, which is my favourite one. And then on the outs, so that's what that was like. So it looked like this, and then on the other side we made a poster. So we all did separate things. They called it factories basically, and we all did, like some would ink, some would draw little characters, some would do like these type of backgrounds on them, so we could all use them collectively and do our own types of books. So we did that, and yeah, so I forgot to put that on the end of my experimentation, but yeah, that's what we did.